Hey, Chef Billy Parisi here from Heinen's Grocery Stores, and today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favorite breakfasts, homemade biscuits and gravy. We're going to start off by making some homemade biscuits. If you have pre-made, that's fine. Add some flour to a bowl along with some baking powder, salt. Go ahead and grab a whisk and mix everything together until it's completely combined. Now grab some ice cold butter that's cut up, and what we're going to do is cut that in using a pastry knife until it becomes like a meal where the butter is the size of rice. Now grab some whole milk, pour it in there, and then using a spoon, mix everything together until the flour becomes moistened just like you see here, and then empty all the contents out onto your cutting board. We're going to do a really quick knead, maybe 1 to 2 minutes. Just sort of bring all of the ingredients together. We're going to make a large round disc that's about 1 inch thick. Go ahead and grab some circle round cookie cutters, and what we're going to do is take as many out of the dough as possible. And then once we have everything, we're just going to reshape it and remold it and literally continue the process until all the dough has been used. We're going to set our biscuits on a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. They are going in the oven on 425 degrees, going to take in between 15 and 17 minutes. Now in the meantime, let's cook our gravy. I've got some loose sausage gravy I'm going to add to a medium-sized pan over medium-high heat. We're going to cook it and cut it up until they're small bite-sized pieces and the sausage is cooked through. Once it's to this consistency, set the sausage to the side, add the pan back on the burner. We're going to add in some unsalted butter. Next, we're going to hit it with some flour. We're going to mix it together because what we want to do is make a roux. This is going to help thicken up our milk and make that delicious gravy. Add in some whole milk. Keep the heat on medium-high. We want to bring it to a boil. That helps activate the roux to thicken up our gravy. Once it is nice and thick, grab the sausage, put it in there, scrape all that goodness off the plate, then simply season it well with a little bit of salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Mix all of those ingredients together and boom, you've got a delicious gravy. Now absolutely be sure to serve those up with the biscuits. I like to garnish with a little bit of parsley, and then you've got a fantastic, delicious breakfast I know you're going to love.